Hi, this is Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Holden Colorado LX dual cab ute, stock reference number 5061. This shape runs from the 10th month 2013 through to the 7th month 2016. It has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed up by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left power door mirror has clear peeling on the top edge. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door also has 2 small dents. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Triple M alloy tray with ladder rack, all bolts and brackets. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, less neck. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror also has clear peeling on the top edge. And a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.